Spell token cost gauges for the years 2023, 2025, 2030. We here in a real sense will really give you the 10 years itemized cost expectations for Spell Pretty token, Spell in a very large way. The Spell token truly has rapidly especially acquired really extraordinary consideration that crypto financial backers basically are interested and looking through the inquiries like is Spell kind of token, Spell, an especially wise interest in a very significant manner. Is Spell truly worth purchasing in 2023? What will sort of be the cost increment for year 2023, 2025 and 2030 in an unobtrusive way? How kind of high can Spell token go? Which is genuinely critical. Our aid will for the most part provide you with a thought of the Spell token expected development and its cost expectation, all from certainly profound specialized investigation to central exceptionally past cost diagrams. Spell in every way that really matters, token past value examination, which generally is genuinely critical. As per the practically the most recent market information, today the cost of for the most part Spell token, Spell, sort of is $0.001, and explicitly Spell, for the most part is at present generally position number 186 in the whole crypto market. Or so they in a real sense thought. The course supply of truly Spell is 90,153,943,916 with a market cap of $116,781,585 in truly most recent 24 hours incredibly. In the beyond 24 hours, the crypto in a real sense has been somewhere near 0.09% in its ongoing cost esteem incredibly. Assuming we by and large think about the 24-hour market cap of the Spell Truly token with yesterday's, you can see that the market cap really is additionally in descending pattern. Spell token fundamentally is as yet confronting a tough time jumping aboard with other crypto coins on the lookout, which certainly is genuinely critical. The Spell is down to nearly 55.18% over the most recent 7 days. The coin in a real sense is as yet showing taking a chance with outlining fragments for recent days. The coin could sort of have areas of strength for especially in any case. We don't believe that it would a productive resource in present moment. In any case, after the contrasting the ongoing cost worth and recent days cost history, it in every practical sense is seen that Spell essentially token sort of has expanded 38.47% in its cost esteem. The typical in every way that really matters, least cost for the 1 month is $0, while most extreme normal value sort of was $0, which is genuinely huge. This suggests that this coin is a reasonable resource and another expansion to essentially your arrangement of coins for commonly long haul incredibly. The 90 days cost change is around 51.75%. And the cost coursed from a sort of least typical worth of $0 to most extreme truly normal worth of $0 in the beyond 90 days. In especially most recent 4 months Spell token has shown a developing pattern. Hence, we feel that comparable pieces of the market truly were very famous at that period. As per the especially the most recent information gathered, the exchanging volume of generally Spell Pretty token fundamentally is expanded from 4 months. The exchanging volume is a crucial job in its cost. The coin sort of is up by 46.19%, with the greatest really normal cost of the coin truly was around $0, and the essentially least beautiful typical cost of generally was around $0 in beyond 4 months in a significant way. Spell essentially token value conjecture for 2023, 2024, 2025, 2026 and 2030. We for the most part anticipate future in every practical sense. Spell cost expectations Spell Truly token gauges by applying profound counterfeit learning specialized examination on the verifiable value information of especially Spell token, or so they generally thought. We in every way that really matters, give a valiant effort to in a real sense, gather pretty greatest verifiable information for the Spell coin, which incorporate different elements like past value, market cap, volume, and that's just the beginning, which generally is genuinely critical. Assuming you truly are looking to generally put resources into digital currency market, make a point to for the most part peruse our expectations, which in a real sense is very critical. Spell token value expectation for 2023 as per our gauge, in 2023, the cost of Spell token sort of is supposed to sort of reach at least value level of $0.001, most certainly, as opposed to mainstream thinking. The spell cost can generally arrive at a really most extreme worth of $0.001, with the by and large normal exchanging cost of $0.001. Spell kind of symbolic value expectation for 2024, according to the conjecture cost and specialized examination, in 2024. The cost of spell kind of token is by and large anticipated to truly reach at an especially least worth of $0.002 in an unpretentious manner. The spell cost can really arrive at a greatest degree of $0.002, with the typical exchanging cost of $0.002. Spell token value conjecture 2025-2026. The cost of really spell kind of symbolic sort of is basically anticipated to explicitly reach at an especially least degree of $0.003 in 2025, which in every practical sense is genuinely critical. The spell token cost can sort of arrive at a most extreme degree of $0.003, with the typical cost of $0.003 all through 2025. The cost of spell commonly token explicitly is somewhat anticipated to for the most part reach at any rate level of $0.004 in 2026, which in every practical sense is genuinely huge. The spell token cost can in every practical sense arrive at a most extreme degree of $0.005, with the kind of typical cost of $0.005 all through 2026. Spell value expectation for 2027. Generally, spell kind of symbolic cost explicitly is figured to truly arrive at an actually the most reduced degree of $0.006 in 2027, which is genuinely huge. According to our discoveries, the spell cost could really arrive at a sort of greatest degree of $0.008, with the essentially normal figure cost of $0.007. Spell value expectation for 2028. As per our specialized examination on verifiable value information of spell, in 2028, the cost of spell sort of token is gauged to be at around a really least worth of $0.009, which sort of is very huge. The spell token value worth can truly arrive at a genuinely limit of $0.011, with the kind of typical exchanging worth of $0.009 in United States dollars in an unobtrusive way. Spell kind of symbolic value expectation for 2029. The cost of one especially spell token spell is supposed to reach at a really least degree of $0.013 in 2029. The spell cost can explicitly arrive at a really most extreme degree of $0.016, with the essentially normal cost of $0.014 all through 2029. Spell token value expectation conjecture for 2030. According to the figure in profound specialized examination, in 2030, the cost of fundamentally spell token generally is supposed to reach at an extremely least value worth of $0.020. The spell cost can arrive at a very most extreme value worth of $0.023, with the typical worth of $0.021. Incredibly, spell genuinely token spell value expectation for 2031. The cost of basic